Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, extend it, and look for the toggle, which, whoops, I just closed it by mistake, so let's try that again. And it looks like it's on the second page for me right here, battery saver. All you need to do is simply tap on it, and you're now in the power saving mode. And that is how you would enable it. Now in this mode, normally in majority of the other devices it lowers up background, but here it's not the case. So if you want to extend the battery even further, you can always drop the brightness down. Also disable things like Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you only need one, disable the other that you don't need. If you don't need both of them, disable them both. Then also location, you can disable, that will also save battery. NFC, and that's about all we can disable here. So disabling these functions will save you a little bit more battery. And like I was started saying, with the power saving mode enabled, if you have your Wi-Fi or mobile data enabled and you put down your phone, after a couple of minutes it's gonna disconnect from them. So if you are gonna get any kind of notification, any kind of message or something like that that requires internet connection, it will not be delivered till you interact with the device, at which point the device will reconnect to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, depending on which one it's set to connect to. And just then you will get the notification. That is so the device doesn't need to constantly look for updates when it's not really a necessity. And that's kind of the downside of the power saving mode. Now once you're done with it, all you need to do really is go back to the toggle, tap on it again to disable it, and you should be back in normal mode. And I should also mention there is an ultra battery saver, and this is just taking it to the extreme to save as much battery. It basically includes everything that the battery saver does, along with a couple more features. Now I'm gonna tap on it just so you can see the difference in it. So that's your ultra power saving mode, or whatever it's called here. And as you can see, it apparently will give us 410 hours of usage. So that's quite a lot of time, but like I said, it does limit the device, as you can see. And once you want to leave this mode, simply click on the exit right there, and there we go, we're back in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.